Imagine this. You're the first millionaire in your family, not just for the money, but for the freedom, opportunities, and legacy you create. Today, I'm going to give you a detailed, step-by-step guide to achieving that dream, and I'll share some real-life success stories to inspire you along the way. Let's dive in. 1. Shift your mindset. Everything begins with your mindset. If you think becoming a millionaire is impossible, you've already lost the battle. Let's break this down. Adopt a growth mindset. Understand that skills, wealth, and success can all be developed. Read books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill or Atomic Habits by James Clear to help you reshape your thinking. Visualization and affirmations. Write down and visualize your goals daily. For example, I will save $10,000 this year to invest in the stock market. Surround yourself with positive influences. Avoid people who discourage you or have a scarcity mindset. Instead, network with those who are ambitious and goal-oriented. Success story. Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty and faced incredible adversity, yet she credits her success to her mindset. She believed she could create something bigger and used affirmations and visualization to stay focused. Today, she's one of the wealthiest self-made women in the world. 2. Live below your means. Living below your means isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices to prioritize your future wealth. Here's how. Track every dollar. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to monitor where your money goes. This helps identify and cut unnecessary expenses. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, funnel the extra money into investments. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investments. If you can save more, even better. Practical tip. Cook at home instead of eating out. A meal at a restaurant might cost $20 to $30, while cooking the same meal could cost less than $5. Over time, the savings add up. Success story. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, is famously frugal. Despite his massive wealth, he still lives in the same modest home he bought in 1958 and avoids unnecessary expenses. His discipline allowed him to grow his wealth steadily over decades. 3. Develop high-income skills. Your earning potential is one of your greatest assets. Here's how to increase it. Learn in-demand skills. These could include coding, sales, public speaking, copywriting, or digital marketing. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses. Master the art of selling. Sales skills are valuable in almost every industry. If you can sell a product, an idea, or even yourself, opportunities will open up. Build a personal brand. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube to showcase your expertise and attract opportunities. Success story. Elon Musk taught himself computer programming at the age of 12 and later leveraged his technical and business skills to build companies like PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. Developing high-value skills was a key factor in his success. 4. Invest wisely. Investing is how you turn your active income into passive wealth. Here's what you need to know. Start small, but start early. Even $100 invested consistently can grow significantly over time due to compound interest. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and even alternative assets like REITs or cryptocurrencies. Avoid emotional decisions. Stick to a long-term strategy and don't panic during market downturns. Pro tip: use dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly regardless of market conditions. This reduces risk over time. Success story. Chris Sacca, a former lawyer, started investing small amounts during the early stages of his career. By making smart, calculated investments in companies like Twitter and Uber, he became a billionaire. His story shows the power of starting small and thinking long-term. 5. Build multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on one source of income. Here's how you can diversify. Side hustles. Leverage platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to freelance or start a small e-commerce store. Passive income. Invest in dividend stocks, rental properties, or create a digital product like an ebook or online course. Scale your income. If you're in a job, negotiate for raises or find ways to earn performance bonuses. Practical tip. Start by adding just one new income stream. For example, if you're good at writing, offer content creation services on freelancing platforms. Success story. Grant Cardone, a sales trainer and entrepreneur, started with a single income source but expanded to real estate, consulting, and online courses. Today, he has over 7 income streams contributing to his wealth. 6. Stay consistent and resilient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Here's how to stay on track. Set milestones. Break your financial goals into smaller, achievable steps. For example, aim to save your first $10,000 before setting bigger goals. Learn from failures. Every setback is a lesson. Use it to improve your strategy rather than giving up. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for progress, like reaching a savings goal or landing a new client. Success story. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, faced rejection from countless manufacturers before finding success. Her resilience paid off, making her one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the world. You have everything it takes to be the first millionaire in your family. It starts with the right mindset, disciplined habits, and a commitment to learning and growing. The road won't always be easy, but it will absolutely be worth it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.